Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I would like to show to you the way how to change your home screen by click or change the focus theme on your iPhone. So here the first thing you have to do is customize this home screen of your phone. So here I already customized some. So this is this is my original home screen that I use for for my daily, and whenever I slide it I have this too. So I would like to use this for the free focus. So I would like to put some social media applications here, means that whenever I in the free time, so I can only play with those time of applications. So here I would like to slide into the app library, and then you just need to add some. Wait, go click it, and then you just need to put into the home screen. You can also add another home screens. So let's say here I would like to make the home screen for the focus or work mode, so that I only need an application that I use for working. So I just select this app library, and then just found the application that I use for my work, which is this Google Sheet, and so on and so on. You can just do the same, do with other application, and right after you're done you just need to go click done. And the next thing you need to do is just adjusting the focus and the format or formula. You just need to open the settings, and right after that you just need to go scrolling down until you found this focus section, and then you just need to go click it. And now you just need to pick the focus that you want to set. Here let's say I wanted to set for work focus here, so you just need to go click it, and you just need to scrolling down. You will see a customized screen here, so you just need to go click this choose, and you will have several options to this home screen that you can use. So here if you want to whenever you work you only want to access this, so you just need to go click it, and then you just need to go click edit app if you want to add some other applications. But if you want to stay in this way, you just need to go click add, and you just need to go back. You can set for other. So let's say here do not disturb means that no application allowed. So whenever you choose it, there will be like this type of recommendations home screen, so you can just pick one of them, let's say here, and then you just need to go click done. And the next thing, let's just try another one, which is for the personal. You just need to go to click the same, which is the choose, and then you can just pick which type of home screen that you want to add. Let's say here I would like to do it this, and then you just need to go click add. And now let's just check the result. Go back into your home screen, and you just need to slide your screen in down part. I mean this one, and then you will see there will be like a focus side here. You just need to go click it and pick one focus that you want to activate here. Let's say work, so it will be slightly change your home screen. So that is the way, guys, how to change the home screen only with the focus. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I would like to see you for the next tutorial.